A very good morning, dear students. So, today, after a long time, now we will be starting with our fourth chapter, that is using computers, do's and don'ts. In this chapter, we will learn that what we should do while using a computer and what we should not do so that the computer may function well. So now let us start with it. Starting the computer. So we will start with the very basic thing, that is how to start our computer well. As we all know that like a television, a computer is also a machine, and also the computer works on electricity just like the television. Therefore, computer needs to be switched on to work and switched off after work. Switching on a computer is called starting a computer, and switching off a computer is called shutting down. Therefore, we should be very careful while using the computer, so we must follow the steps carefully. So step 1. We first need to switch on the main power button. Step 2. Then we must switch on the UPS. Step 3. Then you will find a button on the CPU to switch it on, press that. Final step, switch on the monitor. To help you out with this process, there are some tips for you. Tip 1. You must wait patiently while the computer starts and should not be impatient. Tip 2. Do not press the keys on the keyboard till the computer is switched on. Now, when the computer is on, you will see the following screen, which you now see on your screen below. This screen, as you all know, is called desktop. As you can see on the desktop, you have a desktop background which has various icons on it. So this is the first screen that you will see as soon as the monitor is switched on. And since you all use the computer in your school lab, so now let us learn what care we should take while using the computer in the lab. Let us now discuss the rules that we must follow in the lab. Rule number 1. Keep the lab clean. Computers may not work if the room is dirty because the dust may result in the improper functioning of the computer. Rule number 2. Press the keys on the keyboard gently. You should not press the keys with force as the keys may come off, so therefore always be gentle. Rule 3. Sit straight while working on the computer. This will help you all with the proper posture and will prevent any pain. Rule 4. Always take turns to work on the computer so that everybody may get a chance to work on the computer. Now we will learn what we should not do in the computer lab. Rule 1. Don't pull or play with connecting wires as you might get hurt. Rule 2. Don't make noise in the lab. Always maintain silence in the lab so that everyone can work well on the computer without distraction. Rule 3. You should always maintain decorum in the lab and should not eat anything in the lab, otherwise the lab will get dirty and this will hamper the functioning of the computers in the lab. Rule 4. Don't click on the buttons of the mouse unless required, otherwise it may not function well. Rule 5. Keep the volume of the computer low or use a headphone so that you may not disturb anyone else. Rule 6. Don't snatch the mouse or keyboard from your friend or else they will get destroyed. Once your work is done on the computer, You must shut down the computer. Finally, we will learn about shutting down the computer. You need to do the following steps to shut down the computer. In step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, a start menu will pop up from there. Click on shut down as you can see on the screen. Step 3, now switch off the monitor, then finally switch off the UPS. Remember to leave the main power switch on for some time to charge the UPS. So with this we have completed our 4th chapter. I hope you all have understood it, so study well. Question and answers and exercises of this chapter will be uploaded on the website. Write the question and answers in your notebook and do the exercises in your textbook itself. Thank you.